Hey friend! I thought it would be fun to experiment with some different ways to hand letter, so in this video I'm going to show you 20 ways to letter the word hello. And if you want to practice these styles with me, I will leave the real-time lettering versions at this timestamp so that you can letter along with me if you would like. So let's get right into the video. With style number 1, I started with a super simple brush lettering hello. It's a little more narrow and tall than my typical lettering style, and I'm using the Stabilo Brush Pen. I'll link all of the pens and markers that I'm using in the description box below in case you're curious. Number 2 is a style that I recently did a full tutorial for, so if you want a detailed step-by-step on this one, I will link that below as well. But this is a really fun way to hand letter using a monoline marker for the base lettering, and then a medium or larger size brush pen for the shadows. This combination is really fun for me, and I love the way these turn out. Style number 3, this one is done by using a brush pen to create chunky letters and then outlining them with a small fine liner. I could definitely use some practice on this style, and I also think that you could try different supplies to create different variations of this, but I thought it was a really fun one to try. Style number 4, this one is a classic style for me over here. It's a block style with a bouncy script over it, and in this one I'm using a highlighter, but you could also try this style with a brush pen for the block lettering, or just a regular marker. There are a lot of different options for this one. And the next one is just a thin, bouncy, and kind of slanted brush lettering style that I'm using a small brush pen to create. Really simple and really fun. Number 6, this style is another take on shadows in your hand lettering, but instead of using a monoline pen for the base, I'm using a brush pen. Then I'm going back with a small and light brush pen to create a subtle drop shadow effect. And here I am using that Stabilo brush pen again to create some kind of curved print capital letters. I don't usually do a super straight line down on my print letters. I like to add a little curve for some personality. And here I have kind of a bouncy, flourishy brush lettering style. For number 9, I have another print style, but this time I added these fun little details to the ends of the strokes and also kept it all in lowercase lettering. And here I have another lowercase non-script style, but I added some blending with these Pentel Touch brush pens. I actually filmed a video around the same time as I filmed this one, where I tested out blending the new mature colors that I have, and it was really fun creating some blending combinations. This video will probably go out before that one, so if you're curious about that one, you can watch for it on my channel. For number 11, I grabbed a fine liner to create just a nice slanted script style of lettering. It's nothing too fancy or wild, just a nice classic script lettering. And for number 12, I did a similar style, but instead of looping the tops of the H's and L's, I decided to just keep them in a straight line. I also made the loop of the O a little bit smaller. It's so fun that you can create so many different styles of lettering just by making some simple changes. Okay, so here my filming cut off, so I'm sorry I don't have the lettering part of it, but I created this combo style using a small brush pen, and instead of doing block letters, I wrote the base lettering in a lowercase print. Then I used a fine liner to go around the top of it in that bouncy style. And here I'm again with some shading, but this time I used a small brush pen for my base lettering. Then I came back with a fine liner and created kind of a faux drop shadow by drawing it in and then adding some lines to create that kind of shadow look. Now on to style 15. I went back to my black brush pen and created a bit of a bouncy, larger style of brush lettering. I also added some curves to the H and made it just a little bit of a playful style. For this style, I used a monoline pen to create a bit of a bouncy look, and then added some shading using a smaller sized brush pen. But I didn't stop there. Then I added a little break between the monoline lettering and the brush lettering by using a white gel pen to outline the silver base lettering. For this style, I think it's good to go nice and slow with the white gel pen so that you have a nice flow and don't have to go back over it and kind of scrape up what you've already drawn. I'm not always great at this, but I do think it's worth it to go slow. And for style number 17, this one kind of brings me back to my younger days of bubble letters, and I thought it would be fun to try again. And of course I had to add in some faux calligraphy to this video. I think faux calligraphy is a great place to start for beginners, and if you are a beginner, make sure to check out my free hand lettering mini course that I will link below. This style is a thin, bouncy style that has really stretched out connecting strokes. I use this one often, and it's really fun to create this style with both a brush pen and a fine liner. And for the 20th style, I created this fun flourishy style using a small brush pen. And if you're ever curious what my desk looks like after filming videos like these, here is a little behind the scenes for you. I will link some resources below if you're interested in learning more about how to create beautiful hand lettering, including my free resource library where you can get free printable worksheets. You can also join my free mini course at howtohandletter.com/mini course. And if you want to practice with me, grab your supplies and let's get started with the real-time lettering. It's so fun to see your work, so if you letter along or recreate this, feel free to tag me over on Instagram. I am at howtohandletter. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. else.